I I just received this 3D printed owl. It was printed in aluminum. It's actually a metal printed aluminum by in 3D Tech. It looks beautiful. It's actual metal. It's not resin. It's metal, and I wanted to see how good their metal printing service is. This is exceptionally good. It was done by in 3D Tech. They provide 3D printing services in laser 3D printers for resin, powder bed fusion, SLS 3D printing, which is nylon plastic. And they also provide FDM 3D printing services and also metal 3D printing. I think they also provide CNC machining, but I don't have a use for it. Now, this owl is a model that it's actually a 3D scan. Uh, it's a 3D scan that was it was done through the Creality Otter 3D scanner, and the scanner was done by someone in YouTube. Let me check. I'll give you the details about his account. So this is the original model that I got from the YouTuber that did the review of the scanner, the Creality 3D scanner. It's one of the brand new ones that's coming out soon. It's called the Creality CR Scan Otter 3D scanner. The YouTuber, it's Craft ID. I'm sorry, Draft ID. He made this 3D this model by scanning an actual object, as you can see right here. So the actual object is an sculpture that comes with the kit. As you can see, the the owl, it's the same as the one that I'm holding. The model, it it did not change. So it's a pretty good scanner. I'm pre-ordering one as well because I want to have a 3D scanner. You can scan object like he did, and he also posted on Reddit, Creality CR Scan Otter 3D scanner first impression. It was this review. The Redditor, it's ultra wide gamer YT, ultra wide gamer RT. So he it scanned the little owl with the Otter 3D scanner, and he shared the model with his followers. It's freely available also, and right here is the little owl that it was 3D printed in actual metal, and it is amazing how good the detail was preserved. Um, and this is metal. This is actual metal. Um, It is a very beautiful model. So the scanner is pretty good, and the 3D printer is absolutely pretty accurate. Thank you guys.